I mean, have you heard about live tak?
Oh yeah, of course lah.
Okay. In order for them to get the support, this audience have to like macam give them gifts. And this gift is money.
Orang di rumah baru, dia mau rumah baru.
Nowadays is like with all the social media, sekarang they get support from people through this, I think monetary, through gifts. In order for them to get the support, this audience have to like macam give them gifts. And this gift is money.
Kau tahu yang macam diorang joget, ramai-ramai joget macam tak?
Wadidaw.
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 Kan. Ribut tau Indonesia.
Macam kita bikin
Mampus lah. Tapi aku pernah tengok dekat Facebook that someone macam bawa the phone going around whole place tu semua is filled with dead people tau. Different group.
Yes, betul.
The whole space tau.
Betul.
Diorang bikin lama tau. It
kan?
means itu diorang punya main
Income.
Main source tau.
Betul.
Sia. Macam for me still macam 50-50 lah. It can be a good thing, it can be a bad thing lah.
Kalau orang lama akan cakap ini jalan mudah lah. Tapi orang sekarang akan cakap ini jalan smart.
Innovative
smart
lah.